share my screen. All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, so the first thing that I would like to say or to remind you guys is your final exam. So it will be on November 27, this coming Saturday. So 3 more days left for your final exam. So this will start at exactly 11:30. So 11:30 to 3:30 p.m. And the second one is the coverage of your final exam. So as usual, so I'm only giving the, mostly I only give the coverage of finals with the finals, with the finals modules. So week 4, so we have 2 modules, the main memory and then the virtual memory. And then for the week 5, we have 3 additional modules. So we have the file system interface and then the file system implementation and then the mass storage system. Okay. And then for the last one, wherein there is no activity, okay, for the week 6. So there's additional 3 additional activities. Okay, so we have the security protection, so those are actually quite the same. And then we have the network and distributed systems. So it's like we have 8 modules for the finals. Okay, anyway, for the week 6, it's like more on the concepts. Okay, so unlike the week 4 and week 5, so we have a competition part. So yeah, and then yeah, there will be 75 points only for your final exam. Okay, so this will be available on Saturday. So are we clear so far with the coverage of your final exam? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great then. So what else that I need to say? I guess no more. So just keep in mind that the last activities, which will be due, which will be due on November 27th. So this will be file and storage management, and then the case study guide. So again in here, yeah, this one is just one piece. However, this one is composed of these 3 modules. So this one came from these 3 modules. So you guys have to review those 3 modules before taking this quiz. Okay, so this is the 48 points. Okay. Anyway, so that's mostly it for my part. So supposedly we will not meet today, but since the SC required us to do a synchronous meeting, so yeah, here we are now. That's why we're having a Zoom meeting right now. So yeah, supposedly this is your like free time or your free time to review or to finish the activities that I given to you guys. All right, so the last agenda will be your concerns. So anyone who has the question or clarification so far, starting from week 4 to week 6. One. No question. This is now your this is actually our last meeting. So if ever that you have a question, so you should ask them now before your final exam. Well, your final exam is kind of similar with midterm exam. All right, then. So if you guys don't really have a question, so just give me a thumbs up, just to let me know that you guys are doing good with this subject, that you guys were able to follow everything. You're doing fine. What about Miss Johnable? So I don't know to the others anymore since they are not here. Well, that's pretty much it. So make sure to watch the videos also under this module. Okay, so we have the videos under this folder. Anyway, so yeah, that's already it. So it's only a 6 minute 6 minutes meeting. So as always, thank you guys for coming, even though there's only 4 of you. And good luck in advance to your final exam. So yeah, and keep safe as always, and then happy lunch, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too, and goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you, goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.